Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying capabilities. Most MacBooks lack HDMI in, so you need either an HDMI capture device or a monitor with pass-through. Once done, plug a standard HDMI from the Xbox to the capture device or adapter. Make sure the adapter matches your MacBook port, USB-C/Thunderbolt, or a dock. Power off devices before you connect to prevent hot plug glitches. Tight connections matter. A loose cable causes intermittent audio/video. Now power on the Xbox and set the console to display output so the capture device can lock the signal. Once your hardware is active, open the Capture app on your Mac and allow camera/microphone permissions. This is why you chose a compatible device. Next, add a new video capture source and select the HDMI capture device. Do the same for audio so game sound passes through. Make sure resolution and frame rate match the Xbox output. Set to 1080p at 60 frames per second for best performance unless your hardware supports higher. Then adjust buffer and latency settings to minimize lag while preserving quality. To finish, launch a game and verify video and audio are streaming to the Mac. You should see a live preview and hear sound. If latency is high, enable low latency or pass-through mode on the capture device and lower preview quality while keeping recording high. If the Mac shows no signal, reseat cables, try another HDMI cable or USB port and restart the Capture app and devices. This simple reset often resolves handshake issues. One key tip: check the Capture device's firmware if problems persist, as updates fix many compatibility bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.